And good afternoon, my name is Scott Fuller. I'm a Senior Solutions Architect with Ascom, and today we're going to review the AvaSure integration with Ascom. Up here on our top, we've got our AvaSure Guardian Access device. This device will typically be mounted in a patient's room and allows two-way communication between a patient and a telesitter that can be sitting remotely off-site. Panning down here to our monitors, so this is the AvaSure client. So the telesitter that's sitting remotely can monitor our patient, and if there's any indication that the patient is attempting to get out of the bed, the telesitter is able to initiate communication with that patient, and if there's anything that cannot be done, they can then initiate a stat event here. So as soon as I click that, I'll hit activate on our Guardian Access device. It's alarming. And then also back down here on our staff phone, we've got our alarm that is displayed. I can then interact that, find out where exactly the stat event is occurring, and as a clinician, I can respond to that effectively. This is the AvaSure integration. If you have any additional questions, please reach out to your Ascom sales rep. Thank you.